Hey guys, welcome to Circuits Anonymous 2018, and let's start out the year with a fresh installment of 2-Minute Tech. The topic today is dust mitigation and simple tricks you can do to prevent excessive dust buildup inside your PC case. Without further delay, let's get into it. Firstly, I'm sure you all ask yourselves, why does dust happen to me? Don't worry, you're not alone. There are actually several reasons for dust buildup inside your PC case. Environmental factors such as overall air dryness or wetness, or even dust-making horrors like deserts, or industrial factories spewing who knows what into the air. These can all have an impact on how much dust gets in your PC case. But humans do as they always have done and invent creative ways to mitigate the minor annoyances in their lives. Dusty PC cases have not been forgotten. The easiest way to prevent dust from getting inside your PC case is to filter all of your intakes. Dust gets trapped on the filter and not on your precious PC components. Little secret here, try filtering the top of the PC case as well, provided there's ventilation up there to begin with. Dust can still succumb to gravity and fall right in. Yuck! Now if your case did not come with any fancy filters, do not fear. There are plenty of janky and not so janky alternatives. Silverstone, for instance, makes some pretty high-quality fan filters that come in both 120 and 140mm flavors. And if your case has any large unfiltered spaces, Simoclean makes a whole roll of unfiltered mesh material that can be cut to size and then adhered right over any unfiltered portions of your case. To be honest, at the worst, you could even get your hands on some old pantyhose and stuff a fan or two in there, which would essentially serve the same purpose. The overall trick here is to be creative and understand that dust is going to get inside your PC. How much, however, is up to you. With that being said, links to products talked about will be down in the video's description, so toss me a like and consider getting subscribed. There's going to be a lot of great content coming out this year. This was Andrew with Circuits Anonymous, and I'm signing off.